Engineered for outdoor or emergency use, the Etekcity water filter straw allows you to instant access to clean, drinkable water from almost any unfiltered freshwater source, including rivers, lakes, and tap water. This is how it works. Unfiltered water enters through the inlet piece and passes through an advanced double filtration system comprised of a hollow fiber UF membrane and antibacterial carbon filter, trapping 99.9% of waterborne pathogens, so you can enjoy fresh, safe drinking water. The water filter straw is built for wanderlust travelers, featuring a lightweight yet durable design so you can easily store it in your survival kit, camping gear, or hiking backpack. To increase your water capacity, the straw is compatible with standard threaded bottles and hydration reservoirs. A foldable water pouch for filtered drinking on the go is also included. To drink directly from a water source, remove the outlet cap, then submerge the inlet piece in the water and sip from the mouthpiece. If you can't directly reach the water source, use the extension tube to extend your reach. If you're trying to drink from a more turbid water containing contaminants, simply attach the included pre-filter to the inlet piece firmly before sipping. To clean the straw, fill the backwash device with clean water, then hold it against the mouthpiece while pushing the plunger down to wash the inner filtration system. Repeat as necessary. Whether you're camping, hiking, or amidst a natural disaster, the water filter straw provides pure drinking water whenever and wherever.
When it comes to shedding light on a situation, we've got you covered. Etekcity's collapsible lantern features 360 degrees of bright LED lighting designed with 30 LED bulbs evenly illuminating surrounding objects. While featuring lightweight portability, the lantern also offers the rugged durability to handle impacts, drops, and drizzly weather. To activate the light of the lantern, simply pull up the fold-away handles and extend for brightness. Easily control the amount of light provided by the lantern by adjusting its height. The collapsible design makes storage and portability easy and effortless. Handy for emergency situations and outdoor recreation, the lantern will provide up to 12 hours of dependable lighting. Just pull and go. Take the lantern along for on-the-go lighting for camping and hiking trips. Easily hang the lantern for hands-free illumination. The lantern was designed for safe and easy use for all ages. Even when it's used for an extended period of time, the outer surface won't overheat and burn at the touch of a hand. Fold down and collapse the lantern to easily store it in any car compartment or emergency kit. When in immediate need of light, the lantern provides bright illumination. It's a simpler, safer, and brighter idea.
Hello Internet, this is Billy Wong from FosPower. Today we're going to do an FAQ video about this solar radio. The first question we get a lot is about how long does it take to recharge this unit through the solar panel. Now this solar panel is kind of small, so it only takes about 15 milliamp of input to recharge this unit. If using the solar panel, it would take about days to actually recharge the unit. So the actual function of the solar panel is actually to slow down the power dissipation of the unit and not so much to recharge the unit. To recharge the unit properly, the best way I recommend is use the micro USB port on the back of the unit here. Make sure you have the right cable. This port is not for recharge, but this port is. And then also the hand crank, so like that. All right, move on to question number 2. Why isn't my phone charging even after I plug in the cable? So guys, when you plug in the cable, make sure you choose the right cable, of course, the first thing. And then second thing is make sure it's plugged into the right direction. So this is the port that charges your phone or your devices. And then after that, you need to go to the underside of the unit and make sure that it's switched to the very bottom position, which shows the lightning and the phone symbol. Once you switch that, then you're good to go. All right, let's move on to the third question. What is the SOS switch on the underside of the unit, and how do you turn on the emergency flasher? Does it actually send any SOS signal? So this is the SOS button on the underside of the unit. So when you do that, it sounds the siren and it flashes. It does not actually send any SOS signal to any first responders. All right, let's move on to question number 4. Does the radio alert me when there's an emergency weather broadcast? So yes, you will have to make sure that you switch it to weather band and turn on your volume and tune to your local channel. Then you should be good. Let's move on to question number 5. Is there a way to manually turn on or off the reading light? The answer is actually no. The reading light is right here, actually underneath the solar panel. So to turn it on, you just flip the panel, and then turn it off, you just flip the panel back into its position, then it will be turned off. All right, let's move on to question number 6. How do I know when the radio is fully charged? So a lot of people actually miss this one. I'm going to show you. I'm going to charge the unit through the micro USB port, and as you can see, there is a indicator right here. If it's showing red, that means it's charging the unit. When it's fully charged, it will turn green. And this indicator is not to tell you that you're charging your device, but it's actually recharging this unit here. Question 7, I insert AAA batteries, but the radio still does not have power. Okay, so for this one, actually, there is a switch here that tells you which power source it's using. So right now it's set to lithium ion. And if you want to use the AAA batteries for your power source, make sure you switch it to AAA, and you're good to go. Question number 8. The radio has a lot of static noise. So sometimes people miss this too. There is actually a built-in antenna right here. Just make sure you extend it out, and you can actually adjust it to whatever direction to tune. All right, let's move on to question number 9. The flashlight seems to be widespread and not bright enough. So there's a knob here that we can actually turn to change the focal length of the light, and it will make it a little bit more focused and brighter. Let me demonstrate it for you. So right now, as you can see, it's more widespread. If I turn the knob a little bit, then that's more focused and brighter. Last question, question number 10. Is this unit waterproof? This unit is not waterproof, but it is water resistant, so you can't actually submerge this into water, but rain and spills is fine. So that wraps up our FAQ session. If you have any more additional questions, please remember to ask in the comment down below and we'll try our best to answer it. Thanks for watching.